Hi, so today we're going to take a closer look at this garden seat storage kind of slash wagon. This was provided to me by the brand for review, so let's check it out. So first of all, you can see that it's at a nice height. It has a nice thick padding on it here that you can use as a seat. You can sit here and work on your plants, work in your garden. This will hold up to 600 pounds. So it's got the garden stool, it's a rolling cart, it's a nice work surface, multi-purpose lid, and then the wheels are rubber and very substantial. So it's just a nice way to haul all of your gardening tools with you. And then when you don't want to hurt your back and you don't want to sit in the rocks, you can sit here and trim your bushes, trim your trees, pull your weeds, whatever. It's a very nicely made, it's sturdy. The wheels on this are very substantial, and as you saw, they rolled right across this rock with no problem at all. The best part about this is this nice, thick foam seat permanently attached to this handle. It'll come in handy. Check it out. Thank you to the brand, and thank you for watching.